So this is Atlas, my AI outreach system that I build and runs every morning automatically. Today it sent 46 emails across 5 different campaigns, scored 181 leads, and used 76 Apollo credits to do it. I didn't touch any of this. It ran on its own while I was in client meetings this morning. Let me show you what's actually happening under the hood. This is what Atlas already has queued up for tomorrow morning starting at 9 a.m. 6 campaigns, each one targeting a different market. Florida roofing contractors, New Jersey, multi-state, small business owners, pavement companies. Every lead is pre-scored. The emails are personalized and it kicks off automatically. I wake up and it's already done. These are my score 5 leads, the highest priority contacts in the pipeline right now. Atlas scored every single one of these based on title, company revenue, and ICP fit. Brian Thompson at Warren Thompson and Son, Brian Sullivan at Kelly Roofing. These guys are getting a tailored sequence, not a blast. And here's the full pipeline. 169 in email 1, 15 already into email 2. Sequences running across 3 products simultaneously. Kraken Ops, SynthMind, and Pavement IQ. This is what an AI-powered outreach system looks like when it's actually built and running in production. Not a demo, not a concept. This thing runs every single day. I built this with Claude Code and NanoClaw over the last few months. If you're a sales leader or a founder wondering what AI can actually do for your outreach, this is it. Happy to show anyone how it works.